Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 14 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and find more security and privacy, and here let's go to the installation sources. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just find the app and tap on the switcher. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you have to be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. So if you're ready, just tap on allow, and now the Chrome in my case is active, which means that it is allowed to install some content. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just find the app and tap on the switcher again, and right now it is inactive. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.